Namaste. CA Intern at Bharadwaj Institute. 8 different papers. Group 1 consisting of 4 papers. Group 2 consisting of 4 papers. Intensive training on all the papers. Adequate number of classes. Every classroom, every unit is supported with a test. At least 3 mock tests in the span of your classroom, along with material which is well researched, covering all the past question papers or RTPs, MTPs and other things. What else you want to go to the examination with confidence and taste the success? Well, Bharadwaj Institute offers one of the finest experience, finest education for your CA intern. Both the physical as well as live online classroom, hybrid system. Physical classes are only for those who have completed 2 doses of vaccination. Others and those who are unable to attend physical classes can attend live online. Apart from this, all classes will be recorded and provided both for students who are attending physically and for live online students. So an excellent package awaits you from Bharadwaj Institute. The learning experience is going to be in a different pedestal. You are not only going to understand just the subject, but beyond subject, beyond classroom, the travel is going to be. We will ensure that your concentration is on the subject, your focus is on the examination, and you will score the required marks. And we have produced many rank holders in the past. Bharadwaj Institute is ready to offer to you the best package in CA Intern. Our faculty team consists of Mr. VP Palanichami, the Dean and Director of this institute, handling part of accounting. Deepika, a Chartered Accountant, handling the other part of accounting. CHARANYA Sridharan, a Company Secretary, handling company law. DINESH JAIN, a Chartered Accountant and a rank holder at all levels of CA, is handling costing. Srivatsan, the mentor of CA students, handling direct taxation. Shivakumar, a Chartered Accountant and advocate, a practitioner in indirect taxes, handling GST. This is Group 1 team. Group 2 team consists of Mr. VP Palanichami and Deepika, together handling advanced accounting, Mr. Dinesh Jain handling financial management, Professor Jayashree handling economics for finance, Mr. Chandan Patni is handling auditing and EISM, a faculty team which is young, energetic, vibrant, at the same time experience filled. Almost all the faculties are close to a decade experience, having a decade of experience in coaching. Every subject will be supported by a very researched material which will take care of all your needs. The classrooms will get completed 2 months before the examination. We will also be conducting a free revision session for our students, which will be more examination focused, which will make you focus closer to what are all the areas in the examination. All these faculties, along with all the resources, will ensure that success comes to you in a golden plate.